all you have to do is come to this website, browse through these channels, choose any one of them, click on subscribe. It's going to open up their channel in a new tab. And then all you have to do is click on the subscribe button, come back to this website, click on verify. And then you can see my tokens have been added. And then what you can do is you can go add a URL to any video. And then as long as you've got tokens in your account, this website is going to give you a lot of YouTube views, subscribers, and likes. And then what you can do is you can take these views, likes, and subscribers, come over to this website and sell these YouTube likes, subscribers, and views for $20, $50, $30. This guy's selling for over $2,500, $165, $11. And you can see I've made already $601.50 in credit selling YouTube views, subscribers, and likes like this. Just to refresh, to show you, this is my live dashboard. There you can see this is my live dashboard. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. And before I get started with this video, I just want to say thanks to this video from Investors Channel, where I managed to utilize and replicate this strategy and earn $601.50 online by watching and subscribing to YouTube videos and channels. But in this video, I'm actually going to show you I did this a lot differently. I did this in a much more unique way to boost my earnings even more. So a lot of people watch YouTube videos and follow various different channels on a daily basis, but this video that I'm going to show you right now can actually allow you to make money off of this. It's worldwide, and these websites pay in 8 different ways, including directly to your bank account. So check this out. Just to show you, you can see my credits up here, $601.50. You can withdraw to bank transfer global or banks worldwide, United States, Bitcoin, Coinbase, credit card, Ethereum, Payoneer, PayPal, Skrill, and ZellyPay, which is all global ways of earning through this website. So there's no excuse to not earn on this site. So just to come back here, these are all organic growth methods, as these are not bot followers or viewers in the strategy. It's all real people, which means you can sell this for more and charge more for this. But before we go and do this method by watching and subscribing to other channels, make sure to subscribe down below to this channel below first, because that's the one that's going to benefit you the most, because I'm uploading daily videos on how you can make money online, grow your online presence, and grow your online brand. So if you want to get a personal message from me every time I upload an awesome video like this one, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that you can get that notification. But let's get straight into this method. So the first website that we're going to come to is called linkcollider.com, which is a source of web traffic where we can perform actions such as subscribe, watch other videos, like other videos, and we're going to earn points. Then you can basically trade these points either for PayPal money or for other engagement, such as you can trade these points for other people clicking on your videos, subscribing to your videos or channels, following you on Facebook, following you on Twitter. You can see right here, they've got Facebook shares, tweets, Twitter follows. So these are all services that you can sell on the other platform that I'm going to show you just in a bit for good amounts of money, but this is going to be an active kind of income. So you can sign up on this website completely for free. You can register with Google. Your dashboard will then look like this. So what you can do is you can head over to the Collect Tokens tab. I like to use YouTube subscribers because you can see it's high reward. It pays the most tokens. So the more, because obviously the more tokens you collect, the more and more engagement you are going to get. So let's take this channel right here. Henelina Gautier channel. I'm going to click on subscribe. It's going to open up their channel in a new tab. What you then do is you click on subscribe, come back to their website, click on verify, and you will see literally instantly you're going to get, in this case, 30 tokens. You can see right here, well done, 30 tokens. It's now gone up to 50 tokens. Then what I can go and do is I can go and submit a website. Let's take a personal business page or website. Or sorry, let's rather choose YouTube channel. Then what you can do is, before we continue with this, you can come over to a website called playerup.com, which is a platform that sells different coins, different engagements on various different pages. So we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom until we find other games and marketplaces, and then this will pop up with a alphabet system like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to YouTube. So for example, we're going to come over to Y. It will then refresh this page with all the Y's. So you can see right here is YouTube under the Y category. We can click on that, and you can see people or the different categories first. So you can sell YouTube accounts, YouTube comments, YouTube favorites, YouTube shares, YouTube services, YouTube likes, subscribers, and then views. So we can choose then subscribers over here, and you can see there are people selling YouTube views and subscribers. So what happens is when somebody clicks on buy now, they will basically submit their channel link, their whatever channel they want people to subscribe to. So you go to the checkout over here on this page, and then you pay with your payment method, and then they will send you your YouTube link. And then what you can do is you can come over back here, paste their YouTube link. So let's just take this person's random channel, for example. We paste this here. We can title it, let's say subscribe to this channel for 30 points. And then you can put here, you can leave the description, then you make the reward 30. So that means every time someone subscribes to this channel, or the person's channel that's purchased this gig from you from PlayerUp, they're going to take 30 points away from your account. So the point of this is you've got to constantly have tokens in your account so you can get these guys a lot of views and subscribers that they've purchased from you. So you can kind of see how this is working. I think it's a very good idea, a nice active way of earning income online. Then what you do is you click on Submit Robots, just the capture, you click Submit, then people on Link Collider are going to start subscribing to this channel and watching their videos to get points, which you can then go sell over and over on PlayerUp.com. Multiple channels, you can do the same for Facebook shares, tweets, Twitter followers, Pinterest pins, but I'm going to show you a method that I used to really blow up my earnings to over $601 in just 3 days using this strategy. But I did use a paid strategy, but I started off with the free strategy just using PlayerUp traffic off PlayerUp. And then I'm going to show you now the website that I used to blow up and get a lot of sales. So what you can do is you can click over here, post new listing on the top right hand side of PlayerUp.com in the YouTube subscriber category. You can add a title. So we're going to put 100 organic YouTube subscribers. We can put 1 to 4 days delivery. So then I just put you in the description 100 organic YouTube subscribers using platforms to engage with other channels and trade engagement for engagement, getting you real loyal subscribers and not bots like most of these other gigs on PlayerUp. So what's nice about this is you are telling people how you are getting them subscribers for them, meaning you're being very transparent with them, and they like this. Transparency is key when it comes to selling gigs online like this. So then what you can do is you can put delivery time, quantity, 100 subscribers, delivery time. You want to put 1 to 72 hours. Price, you can put, let's say, $10. You can start selling at $10, your buy now link, and then you can click on create thread. And then I'm going to click on preview thread, which will then look like this. So you can see right here, 100 organic subscribers on the YouTube buy and sell trade, which is great. So then people will see this and then start buying YouTube subscribers and viewers from you, which you're then going to go submit their channel on this website to automatically get views, subscribers, or whatever category you choose. Then what you can do is you can take the link of your PlayerUp gig, come over to a website like influencercart.com, where I've actually been purchasing shoutouts on specifically the clip and movie category on Instagram to get a lot of people to my gig on playerup.com, which also ranks it up to the top page, which is a great way to invest like 10, 20 bucks and see a lot more of sales in return, because remember, your posts are organic and it's also well priced, which is very going to benefit you a lot. So you'll see right here when I filter by clip and movie and I'm going to apply the filter, you will find other pages in the movie and film niche, because these are obviously content creators, people that are interested in content, creating videos. So growing stuff like YouTube channels and Instagram pages suits this niche. So what I can do is I'm going to come over to this guy over here, and then I'm going to copy his username, come over to Instagram, and quickly before I get going with this method, make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I'm actually going to start live streaming every single day where I can answer your guys' questions live. So follow me at jfroneman and put the post notifications on so that you can get a notification every time I go live, so you can join the live stream so I can chat with you guys and answer any questions. But then what I'm going to do is, to continue with this, I'm just going to paste the username on the Instagram search bar, because we want to go and investigate what their engagement is like. So you can see this guy has 163k followers, but let's look at his posts. You can see this post, 25k likes, 39k views, 37k likes on this post, 39k, 6,000. to 112,000 views. So the engagement on this channel is actually very, very good. So this is a good page to choose to get a shout out from. So what you can do is you can DM them. You can see DM for business inquiries. The DMs are open. And you can be like, hey, what does it cost to do a swipe up feature? I'm selling organic YouTube views. I'm a social media influencer and engager, getting people growth on YouTube specifically. I've got my gig listed. What will it cost for me to shout out on a swipe up story with a link in bio? They'll probably charge you $10, starting from $10. And then from there, the views are getting, you're going to get probably tens, close to hundreds of thousands of views on your story where they swipe up, directly land on your gig where they can make a purchase of $10 over and over. And then what you got to do is every time someone sends a link, you've got to come over to Link Collider, paste the link, submit, and continuously generate tokens, more and more tokens so that they can get their growth. And if you spending more tokens than what actually winning, because now you got more and more channels, you can make the investment from the money that you've made from PlayerUp and just buy tokens yourself to keep up to date. So it's a great way to do that. And what you can do is, for a shout out, you can come over to a website like wave.video. You can see here some of my other videos where I've done swipe up features, like different ClickBank offers as well. So you can get like a little YouTube video, swipe up to get 1,000 YouTube views or 100 YouTube subscribers for $10 organically, and then that link will lead to this page over here where they can make the sale. So that's a great way to use the paid method on top of the traffic from PlayerUp to get sales with this method. But guys, on the screen I'm going to leave a video to a 19-minute video and blueprint that I created completely for free. It's literally information from courses that are valued over hundreds to thousands of dollars. Right here on YouTube, you can see here it is on the screen, my 0 to 10K affiliate marketing blueprint that I uploaded 6 days ago. I want you guys to watch this video if you haven't watched it, because this is probably the most valuable video I've put on my channel so far. I'll leave a pin on the screen and I'll see you there. So make sure to click on this pin or the video, the element on the screen, and I'll see you in that video.